Music. Citigroup or Northern Trust? Which bank is right for ***? This video compares these two institutions to help you decide. Find direct links to both banks below. Let's explore their key features and ideal customer. Citigroup is a global banking powerhouse offering diverse financial products for individuals, businesses, and institutions. Their international presence provides extensive personal banking, from checking accounts and credit cards to loans and wealth management. Citigroup truly shines in business and corporate banking, tailoring solutions for companies of all sizes. Their robust online and mobile platforms simplify money management wherever you are. Need a comprehensive, global financial partner? Citigroup is a solid choice. Northern Trust, however, specializes in wealth management, asset servicing, and trust administration. Unlike Citigroup, Northern Trust focuses on high-net-worth individuals, families, and institutions. They excel at personalized wealth management, including investment strategies, estate planning, and trusts. Northern Trust is renowned for fiduciary responsibility and serving affluent clients focused on long-term financial goals. Prefer a personalized, high-touch approach to wealth management? Northern Trust may be a better fit. So, need a large global bank with diverse offerings? Choose Citigroup. But if you're a high-net-worth individual or institution seeking specialized wealth management, choose Northern Trust. Explore both banks further using the links below, and choose the bank that best achieves your financial goals.